Hey, what's up guys? So we have already seen a couple of gaming smartphones getting launched this month, and now it's turn of Black Shark to unveil its latest offering, Black Shark 3S. Now the Black Shark 3S will be launched on July 31st, which is pretty close, and the latest teasers offer slight hint at upgrades in display and performance. So let me take you through all of the teasers, leaks, pretty much everything we know so far. So sit tight and let's begin. A teaser video confirms that the Black Shark 3S will have a 6.67-inch Samsung AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 270Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth gaming graphics. What's more is they have used MEMC 3.0 chip for smooth transitions. FYI, OnePlus 8 Pro wasn't the first phone to have used MEMC chip. Back in 2018, Black Shark had already used it, but recently it was popularized by OnePlus. So what this MEMC chip basically does is upscale all lower frame rate content to match the screen's refresh rate by artificially adding frames. Additionally, the Black Shark 3S is also teased to come with Tencent's game frame rate synchronization technology that can dynamically adjust the display's refresh rate according to the different frame rates in games. So that's another cool feature. So while every other gaming brand is focused on 144Hz refresh rate, Black Shark is working with different technologies to deliver smooth gaming and multimedia experience. The new phone will obviously have the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, and it will likely offer UFS 3.1 storage speeds and up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The Black Shark 3S was teased last week in images that show some of the phone's front and back side with modern angular design and triple cameras on the rear and a single front-facing camera. None of the other specs are confirmed yet, but it may remain the same as Black Shark 3. Anyways, you don't have to wait too long since the official launch is just around the corner. But if you want regular updates, then subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.